The first sum of section C is to determine the value of constant C when the probability distribution of a random variable x is given. X is 2, 3, 4, 5. The corresponding values of Px are 0.2, 0.3, 4c and c. Now, starting with the sum, we know that the probability distribution of variable x is given. We have to find the value of constant c. Now, as a property of probability distribution, that sigma Px is equal to 1. We move on for finding out the answer, that is multiplying sigma x into Px. What we get is P of 2 plus P of 3 plus P of 4 plus P of 5 should be equal to 1. So, 0.2 plus 0.3 plus 4c plus c is equal to 1. When we calculate that, we get 5c is equal to 0.5. So, the constant value c is equal to 0.5 by 5. That for the answer for c will be equal to 0.1. So, we have found the value of constant c. The first sum is over. Moving on with the next sum, where calculation of the mean of the discrete probability distribution Px is equal to x minus 1 by 6, where the value of x is equal to 2, 3. So, we move on with the sum with the solution part P of 2, considering because the value of x is given as 2 and 3. So, P of 2 is equal to 2 minus 1 by 6. The answer that we get for P of probability of 2 is 1 by 6. P of 3, so 3 minus 1 by 6, that is equal to 2 by 6 is equal to 1 by 3. So, P of 3 is equal to 1 by 3. We have been given probability of x is equal to 1 by 2, where the value of x is equal to 4. So, P of 4 is equal to 1 by 2. So, we have got the value for probability of 2, that is 1 by 6, probability of 3, that is 1 by 3, probability of 4, that is 1 by 2. So, 2 of 1 by 6 multiplying x into Px, what we get is 2 into 1 by 6 will give the answer 1 by 3. Then 3 into 1 by 3 will give the answer as 3 into 1 by 3. So, you get the answer 3 by 3, that is equal to 1. 4 into 1 by 2. So, we get the answer 4 by 2 is equal to 2. So, mean is equal to mu, that is equal to sigma x into Px is equal to 1 by 3 plus 1 plus 2, that gives the answer 10 by 3. So, the mean of the distribution is 10 by 3. Then moving on with the third sum, where the probability distribution of a random variable x is as follows. P of x is equal to x by 3, that is x plus 3 upon 10. So, x is equal to 2 by 3. X is equal to 2, 1, 2. So, calculate Ex square, that is variance. So, P of x is equal to x plus 3 by 10 by taking x is equal to minus 2, 1, 2. So, P of minus 2 is minus 2 plus 3 upon 10, that is equal to 1 by 10. When you take P as 1, the answer that we get is 1 plus 3 upon 10, that is equal to 4 by 10. P of 2 is equal to 2 plus 3 by 10, so that is equal to 5 by 10. So, the calculation of Ex square can be easily found from the following table. That is, as you can see on the screen, x square into Px, the total comes to 28 by 10. So, that gives you the answer 2.8. So, sigma Ex square is equal to sigma x square into Px, that is 28 by 10 is equal to 2.8. We have completed with section C. Moving on with section D. The very first sum, the probability distribution of a random variable x is as follows. So, P of x is equal to k into x minus 1, that is x is equal to 2, 3. So, moving then you have been given k where x is equal to 4, k 6 minus x where x is equal to 5. So, find the value of constant k and the probability of the event that variable x assumes even numbers. So, the probability distribution of random variable x is given as follows. P of x is minus that is equal to k x minus 1. and the value of x should be 2 comma 3. So putting the value in that particular form equation, so p of 2 is equal to k into 2 minus 1. The final answer that we get is k. P of 3 is equal to k 3 minus 1, so that we get the answer 2 by k. Next, what we have been given is p of k is equal to x is equal to 4. So p of 4 is equal to k. Then we have been given p of x is equal to k 6 minus x, where x is equal to 5. So we get p of 5 is equal to k. 6 minus 5 is equal to k. So we have got p of 2, the answer is k. P of 3, the answer is 2k. P of 4, the answer is k, and P of 5, the answer is again k. Now for finding the constant value k, using the discrete probability distribution, that sigma of px is equal to 1. So P of 2 plus P of 3 plus P of 4 plus P of 5 is equal to 1. So k plus 2k plus k plus k is equal to 1. So 5k is equal to 1. So k will be equal to 1 by 5. Moving on with the next second part of it, the probability distribution of a random variable as even numbers. Now as we all know, even numbers value could be either 2 or it could be 4. So P of 2 plus P of 4, we get k plus k is equal to 2k. Putting the value of k that we have got in the above part, that is 2 into 1 by 5. So the probability distribution of the random variable as even numbers is 2 by 5. Moving on with the next sum, that is question number 2. The probability distribution of a random variable x is as follows. So P of x is equal to c into x square plus x, where the value of x could be minus 2, 1, 2. So find the value of c and show that P of 2 is equal to 3p of minus 2. So here first we have to find the value of c. For that, using the equation that they have given, P of x is equal to c into x square plus x. So we put the value of x, that is x is equal to minus 2. So P of minus 2 is equal to c into minus 2 plus minus 2. So we get the answer, that is 2c. When we put the value of x as minus 1, we get the answer, it is not minus 1, it is 1. We get the answer 1 square plus 1, that is equal to 2c. When we put the value of probability of 2, that is equal to c into 2 square plus 2, so we get the answer as 6c. So we have got the answer of P of minus 2 as 2c, P of 1 as 2c, and P of 2 as 6c. We're using the property of binomial distribution, that is sigma px is equal to 1. We get P of minus 2 plus P of 1 plus P of 2 is equal to 1. So 2c plus 2c plus 6c is equal to 1, that is 10c is equal to 1. So constant value of c is equal to 1 by 10. Now proving that P of 2 is equal to 3p into minus 2. So P of 2, we got the answer as 6c. Putting the value of c, 6 into 1 by 10, we get the answer of P of 2 as 3 by 5. Now finding the answer for 3p minus 2. So 3 into 2c, that is 3 into 2 into 1 by 10, that is equal to 6 by 10. So we get the answer as 3 by 5. So P of 2 is equal to 3p minus 2. As both the sides, that is the left hand side is equal to the right hand side, so it is proved that P of 2 is equal to 3p into minus 2. Moving on with the next sum, that is finding the constant k and the mean of the distribution when the distribution of a random variable x is P of x is equal to k into 5px, where the value of x ranges from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 till 5. Now here the probability distribution of a random variable, so P of 0 is equal to k into 5p0, that is k into 1 is equal to k. P of 1 is equal to k into 5p1, that is k into 5 is equal to 5k. P of 2 is equal to k into 5p2, that is k into 20 is equal to 20k. P of 3 is equal to k into 5p3, that is equal to k into 60, that is 60k. P of 4, that is k into 5p4, is equal to k into 120, that is 120k. P of 5 is equal to k into 5p5, that is k into 120, that is 120k. For finding the constant value k, using the property of binomial distribution, that is, your property of discrete probability distribution, that is sigma px is equal to 1. So p of 0 plus p of 1 plus p of 2 plus p of 3 plus p of 4 plus p of 5 is equal to 1. So k plus 5k plus 20k plus 60k plus 120k plus 120k is equal to 1. So 326k is equal to 1. So k will be equal to 1 by 326. Now putting the values for P0, P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, what we get is P of 0 is equal to k is equal to 1 by 326. P of 1, we got the answer as 5k. So 5 into 1 by 326, that is 5 upon 326. P of 2 is equal to 20 into 1 by 326, that is 20 by 326. P of 3 is equal to 60k is equal to 60 into 1 by 326. P of 4 is equal to 120k, that is equal to 120 into 1 by 326. P of 5 is equal to 120k, that is equal to 120 into 1 by 326. So the mean of the distribution is sigma x into px. So multiplying the columns of x into px, but the first value that we get is 0 into 1 by 326, that is 0. 1 into 5 by 326, so we get the answer as 5 by 326. 2 into 20 by 326, so we get the product as 40 into 3 by 326. 3 into 60 upon 326, so 120 upon 326. 4 into 120 by 326, so that is equal to 480 by 326. And 5 into 120 by 326, so 600 into by 326. So sigma x into px, that the total is equal to 1305 by 326. So mean of the distribution is 1305 upon 326. So with that we complete off with this particular question till here. Thank you.